Good morning, YouTube. We are at Lake Hartwell on the border of Georgia and South Carolina. Me and my cousin are actually fishing a tournament today to qualify for nationals, and it's my first tournament, so I'm pretty excited.
Far away. Might want to look at them. Oh, oh. That was a nice one.
There's two of them.
Good. Get back in there. Hold on. Hold on, Sabian. Stop. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's the White House. We're going presidential, baby. Where my boy Trump lives. It's the White House. I like it. That's a big one. They're about the same size, I reckon. No way we're in 106 foot. It's a liar. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a dirty liar. We're only 16 foot deep. All right, time update. They've been at it for 2 hours.
We've been fishing 2 hours?
2 hours.
Cool.
Sabian has missed one fish, and Ethan has hit the water more than he hasn't, so that's good. We'll check back in a little bit.
Alright. Something positive. Haven't hit the water yet.
Yeah. You have definitely hit the water more than you have hit. So that's a positive. Well, another hour has passed and they ain't got a nibble. Not a whole nibble, not a half a nibble, not a nibble. Although Sabian's nibbling on his worm right now. I think he's trying to bite it down a little bit. Or he's flossing his teeth. Or he just wants to know what a fish feels like, so he's putting it in his own mouth. Not real sure. Wow. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll catch a dink or three. Sabian wants to take bets on what first place is going to be in this tournament. I'm saying 23.7, is that what I said?
23.8.
23.8. I said 23.8. Sabian said
19.5. Alright, and I say 20.3.
Stay tuned to see who's right. It's going to be me.
Look
Look at these houses. Look at those houses. Can you see those houses? Let me see. I mean, that's my summer home. That's where we go for the summer. I mean, we stay out here on the lake, but it's our summer home. We look at it during the summer days. We're gonna get back. I'm not gonna get back to fishing. Holy buttery nipples, Bat Cat. It's been a grind today. These boys ain't caught nothing. We was hoping they was schooling today, but obviously they're at church. Couldn't catch a dang thing. It is, time is it? 1:24. They got about an hour before we have to head back. And they got 0 fish in the boat. Kind of sucks. Well, if they catch something, you'll see it. And if not, we'll see you at the weigh-in.
We're going to weigh those 5 fish and see what we got. Going to get a good weight established and a big fish weight right off the bat here for Matt Harrison and Gant Connor. 5 fish, all live, setting the bar at 12 pounds, 14 ounces, 12.14. All right, guys. Grab your biggest fish right there, hold it up. And we're going to see what we got for big bass to start off with. Weigh our big fish. It's worth 2 goodie bags of prizes this afternoon if it is the biggest bass. Hold it up, show everybody right there before you set it in there. Nice looking fish right there. All right, now put her down in there and let's see what we got. Matt Gant's going to set the bar for the big bass at 4 pounds, 3 ounces. Our next team up is boat number 3. Boat number 3 is Grant Ledford and Caleb Waddell from the Gilmore High Bobcats. 4 bass in tow here for me on the first day. Actually, the only day. We only fishing one day. But Grant and Caleb, any chance for a limit today? Any missed opportunity?
Yes, sir.
How did that come early in the day or later in the day?
Early this morning.
First thing this morning. Do we have one bigger than 4 pounds for a big bass? No, nothing that'll qualify for that. 4 fish today, 703. Best bait today was what? Definitely a crankbait. Fished how deep?
And then we went 5 to 10 pounds.
Or just chunking and winding down the banks, or are you looking for something targeted in particular? Ditches. There you go. Well, great job for me today, gentlemen. Love to have your picture made over here. Thank you guys so much for being here today. All right, Isaac and Heath, here's your 5 bass Berkeley 5 Alive for that. Thank you guys. Anything bigger than 4.9 for a big bass? I think we got one. All right, we're going to try that. Right now, your total weight, 10 pounds, 10 ounces. 10-10. Nice job for me there. Now, I picked the biggest fish out and put him in there and see if we can be better than 4 pounds, 9 ounces. 4.9 is the big bass. Pick the one you want up, hold it up, show it to them, and we'll see if we can do anything with that. Hey, that's going to be right there with them. That's going to be pretty close. All right, Isaac and Heath, big bass right here. 4.9 is the big bass. 4 pounds and a nickel. 4.05. Not quite the big fish, but still a nice fish. When did that fish come on today, man? On a crankbait. First thing this morning, or when did it come? 11 o'clock. Seems like the bigger fish been around lunchtime today. That's a couple different anglers said they caught their fish in the middle of the day. What are you catching yours on today? Chatterbait and a crankbait. Nice job for me, gentlemen. Love to have your picture made right there. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Okie dokie, tournament's over. What was the winning weight when we left? 18 something? I'll look it up. Well, no. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Cage, how'd you enjoy your first bass fishing tournament?
It was alright.
It was alright.
Look at the sunburn on his hands.
How'd you like your first South Carolina tournament?
It's fun. I just wish I had some pre-fishing. I've never been to this lake. Never. Let's go.
What'd you like the lake?
Yeah, it has a lot of potential. I just couldn't find any today. Didn't find a good pattern. Gonna clean this boat.
We're gonna clean the boat, and then we got a 4-hour drive ahead of us. Thanks for checking it out.